Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we decorated our Christmas tree for 2019. I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to check out the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing your own King of Christmas. There will be a discount code down below.
So one thing I will be doing for my Christmas tree, I actually don't like the way that the lights look on my King of Christmas tree. I don't know, I feel like they are very yellowish, and you can kind of see the difference between this ones and those. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna add this lights to the tree. You don't have to do that, but that's one of the things that kind of kept bugging me. So I want to make sure I'm happy with what I'm doing. So I will be putting on my new lights. Well, actually they're not new, they're from previous years, but we'll see how this looks once I'm done.
Let's look!
I'm putting the lights on.
Okay, do yours.
Do you want to help me?
Yeah.
Athena and Leo had so much fun decorating our Christmas tree. Every day they love playing with it. Athena loves messing with my tree, I'm not gonna lie, but it's all good.
I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on.
Just put it wherever. No, just put it wherever you want. Doesn't have to be here.
So here we go. Here we go. Here we go with the ribbon. So we're going to start putting the ribbon on my tree. And I have my little helper here, Leo. Say hi, Leo.
Mama.
I turned off the lights on my tree so that way I can see where the ribbon is going and the pattern. I'm really happy with the way it's turning out. I'm going to add more ribbon and then I'll start with the ornaments.
When it came to the ribbon, I just placed it in no particular order. I was just playing around with it. I'm not a pro, but I think I did a pretty good job. I wish I would have put a little bit more ribbon on the tree, but at the same time, Rosa was telling me, let's not put too much ribbon or else it's going to be all ribbon. But if you're on a budget, definitely try to put ribbon on your tree. That's going to help you not spend so much on ornaments. Diego and Rosa did such a great job with the ornaments. They were in charge of that. By this time, Leo and Athena were in bed, so it was a lot easier to decorate the tree. But here you can see that they were helping as well.
So it turns out that I am not going to be using a lot of the things that I purchased because my tree is not that big. And Rosa and Diego are helping me decorate it. And we don't want it to be too overpowering. So we're going to keep it pretty simple. And I'm going to end up returning a lot of things back to Hobby Lobby.
That we'd find something true, and that everything would change from now on.
And this is what I have so far. I still have to add more pigs and the squirrels. And there's the first squirrel. Oh my goodness, it looks so cute. The colors are really nice. I'm still debating if I'm gonna keep the what's it called? The little acorns or pine cones sticks, but we'll see. I can always make it a lot softer by taking it away and just leaving those 3 flowers up there. This is just using my lights and it looks really pretty. I'm really happy with the results and I cannot wait for Athena and Leo to see our 2019 Christmas tree. So I just remember that I bought this picks as well from Joann's. I definitely like this better. So it took 3 times, 3 different tree toppers in order for me to find the one that I really like. And this is how it looks like during the day. So this is tree topper number 4. We're actually not done. I just put this as a demo. But I'm gonna go with a bow because I wasn't really feeling the flowers up there. This is definitely more my style. This morning I went to Hobby Lobby to get some ribbon and to return some things that I didn't use. I don't know if you guys remember the little bows that I showed you on the video. Also the flowers. I returned all the flowers that I had, so I only kept 3 of those. That's gonna be for my coffee table decor. And I found these beautiful snowflakes that I wanted to add to the tree. I got 2 different patterns. And they were only $1.99.
Let me know in the comments down below what colors are you using this year for your Christmas tree decor.
Let me show you guys a little sneak peek of what is coming for my dining room. Well, that's for my kitchen. But just so that you guys can see, this is what I got today at Home Goods. And what else? Oh, and some stockings that I'll be placing for this video.
Diego did a really good job with our Christmas decor. He helped me so much. So thank you, Diego, for helping me. You are the best.
From this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me.
And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed decorating with me. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I got this inspiration from my girl Cindy. She's on Instagram and also here on YouTube. M Style. So I'm gonna have a link right here for you guys to check her out in the description box. And yeah, she did the bags, all the fancy bags, the Louis, the Tiffany. I think she's into bags, but me, I am into shoes. So I decided to display my beautiful Christmas tree just like this. Thank you so much to my girl Cindy for inspiring me to bring out my nice bags. And I'm into shoes, so of course I had to get my Christian Louboutin bags from previous years. And I wanted to display all my shoes on the ground, but that would have been a little too much. I might do it later, but not today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed decorating with me. I will be giving you a proper tour on a different video so that I can show you my entire living room. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. All the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.
Ouch!